Here we have an example of a cultivated garden, which takes great effort to cultivate, especially when we compare it to the jungle, which is very nearby on the mountains on both sides. And the mind actually can be compared to having two states. Sometimes it is a jungle where everything is entangled in creepers and vines, and everything is being choked and strangled, reaching up towards light and life. But for the individual who practices proper meditation, the mind is more like a cultivated garden, which takes long practice to clear, takes concentrated, ardent effort to keep clear, and it takes concentration and continuing effort, unrelenting effort to keep up, so that everything is properly nourished and balanced and in its place, if we may say, following the Buddha's diet of balanced nourishment. So cultivating a garden like this is not easy, whereas letting your mind go wild like the jungle is the easiest thing to do.